Yo, what's popping, people? This is Ghetto Fish 360 and I'm
Hey.
I'm with my Uncle Brew, and we're looking at his 90 litres tank, and we've got it popping in here.
Just started a new thing, mate. I had one Oscar in there, lonely as hell, and now got rid of him, and changed the crap up. Look at him. Nice little arrangement.
So let me explain what we actually got in here. We've got some red devils slash parrot fish. What we're looking at here right now.
He's cool.
They're looking really nice. We got, I think, about 4 red Texases. This one's fully peeled but ain't got no spots. Where's the other red Texases? There's one there that's pre-faded.
One up here, John.
And there's one up
there.
there.
My favourite one.
And the Pluto's babies. We've got Pluto's babies in there as well.
He's my favourite. Little rabbit. Oh.
I thought he was Monty on the Sharon.
Yeah, I thought
But yeah, there's some Pluto's babies here. The one that's not meant to be fertile, but he's fertile. Here's another Pluto's baby. This one's a G. I like this one a lot. Definitely. There's a red devil parrot fish one, not peeled yet. But will peel. He's a big boy. But Martin, you happy with the tank?
Yeah, at the moment, mate, they look quite stunning.
It's buzzing, isn't it?
Nice and busy, yeah. It's busy again.
Busy. What's your favourite one out so far? I know you said you like a little guy, but what's your favourite big one that you like at the moment?
He's looking nice.
This one there.
Yeah.
That's a short body parrotfish red devil. I'm looking there. He's probably about 70% peeled. Another 30% and it'll be fully done. I do like that one myself.
Yeah.
And the orangey ready fish, man, look really nice next to the blue gravel as well. They're really standing out. Proper.
There's a lot going on at the moment, and I think they're all just finding their feet, as it were.
I'm liking. But anyway, this is Ghetto Fish 360 and Uncle Brew.
Yeah, Ghetto Fish 360, guys. Loving that, yeah.
You didn't say Ghetto Fish 360 this time. I'm impressed, Uncle Brew. Anyway, people, peace and love.
Love.